Hey, Biddy, can you give Casey a hug? Come give Casey a hug. Give her a hug. Say, oh, my Casey. Oh, she laid down. You give her kisses? Whoa. Whoa. Oh, Casey gives him hugs back. That's nice. Morgan, don't sit on her, please. Yeah. Do you love her? Biddy, do you love Casey? Aww. No. We can go swimming after dinner. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, that's sweet. Aww. That's so nice, Colton. That's so nice. Yeah. Yeah. No owies. No owies. Cheese! Oh, she gave you kisses! Colton, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Colton. Colton. Hey, say bye-bye.